Hello students, this is 7th lecture of 2nd chapter. This is energy resources. Course outcome is select alternative energy resources for engineering practice. Unit outcome or learning outcome is state the impact of overuse of natural resources. Third type of cyclic resource is the resource which can be used again and again after passing through some processes. It is known as cyclic resource. Example of cyclic resources: water. It is used in industry and domestic ways, can be cleaned and used again for similar or other purpose. Such resources are given the name as a cyclic resource. Now next and very important topic of this chapter is causes of depletion of natural resources. First cause of depletion of natural resource is overpopulation. Population growth is driving all of our resource problems including water, agricultural land and energy. The earth can only produce a limited amount of water and food which is falling short of the current needs. Second cause is overconsumption. This is the excessive and unnecessary use of resources. Natural resources in many regions are owned by private companies, but they misuse it for getting more profit. Wastage. Without paying much attention, we use a lot of electric energy each day, from charging electronics to watching TV. Similarly, water is also wasted in various domestic and industrial works. Fourth cause is deforestation. Natural calamities like hurricanes, forest fires, parasites and flood destroy the forest. Human activities such as agricultural expansion, cattle breeding, timber extraction, mining, oil extraction, dam construction and infrastructure development. These are the causes of deforestation. Next is mining of minerals and oils. The increased exploitation of different minerals has led to some of them entering into a production decline. For example, minerals such as gasoline, copper and zinc production are estimated to decline in the next 20 years. Technological and industrial development. Industrial and technological advancement have also driven the demand for virgin material for research, development and production. More resources are hence being used to satisfy the industrial demands, increasing the rate of natural resource depletion. Seventh cause of depletion of natural resources is pollution and contamination of resources. The poor quality of wastewater effluents is responsible for degradation of the receiving surface water body. It is harmful for the aquatic ecosystem. The wrong agricultural practices contaminates the land resources and make it unsuitable for crop production. Effect of depletion of natural resources. These are the effects of depletion of natural resources. Water shortages, oil depletion, loss of forest cover, depletion of minerals and depletion of natural gas. Natural resources, they exploit or overuse, it causes depletion and that depletion causes impacts on the environment.